Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I will be showing you how to configure a Cisco 2960 series switch, only basic configuration methods. So basically what we'll do is we will assign the device a host name. Also we will secure line console 0. Also we'll secure privileged mode or enable mode. After that we'll add a banner. After doing all of that, we will need to save our new configuration. So to get us started, click on the switch and go into its command line. To get started, click enter. So the host name is used to identify the switch. A host name should start with a letter, have no spaces in it, end with a letter or number, and must only use letters, numbers, or dashes. Also, it must be only 64 characters long. So to start off, we'll go into enable mode and then go into configuration mode. To assign it a host, to assign the switch a name, type the command host name and give it a name. So we will call this one, let's say first floor. Enter. You will notice that it will change from being addressed as switch to first floor. After this, we will secure line console 0. Still in configuration mode, type in the command line console 0. Now type in the command password and assign a password. In this case, our password is Cisco. To save this, do not forget the command login. Now the password must be unique. You must not reuse passwords, and also you must use a strong password. Now that our virtual terminal lines are secured, we will move on to securing enable mode. So we'll exit the virtual terminal lines and we are back to configuration mode. In configuration mode, we want to assign enable mode password. So enable password. For this one, we will use the password class. The passwords are in plain text. The console password and also the enable mode password are all in plain text. If you want to encrypt the enable mode password only, you can type in the command enable This time, instead of password, you type in secret and class. Sorry, because my passwords were the same, it will not accept. So instead of using the password class, what password do we use? Let's just say Cisco 1 for the tutorial's sake. And enter. Now the password is encrypted. We'll exit all this. And as you can see, now to get access to the switch, we will need a password. So sorry about that. Cisco. You will notice as you type, the password is not shown here. That's for safety's sake, just in case you have someone peeping over your shoulder. And then we will move to enable mode. Enable. It will require a password too. Our password here was Cisco 1. There we go. To confirm your configuration so far, you can type in the command show running configuration. Show run. There are our configurations so far. So the host name, first floor. Enable secret, encrypted. You cannot read. Enable password, class. That is in plain text. Very dangerous. Then our line console 0 password, Cisco. Also in plain text. Still not good. Let us address that. We will go back to configuration mode. In configuration mode, we'll say service password encryption and enter. Then we will go back to enable mode and check our configuration again. This time, all the passwords are encrypted. The enable secret password, encrypted. Enable password, encrypted too. And our console password, also encrypted. Now that we have all our interfaces encrypted, we will now assign a banner to the switch. The banner is supposed to act as a warning to anyone that is about to access the switch, whether authorized or not. So in order to do this, we'll go to configuration mode again, and then type the command banner message of the day. Banner MOTD. Now, when entering your banner, you will need to put your message in between two delimiters. It could be colons, semicolons like that. Sorry, not colons. What do you call those? Quotes. Or it could be the hashtags. Well, basically almost anything. Okay, not anything, but then delimiters. I usually go with the column. What do you call them? Quotes. So we'll put in the message authorized access only. Unauthorized access is prohibited and punishable by law. Okay. So we can go ahead and check that out. Again, enter. Line console password was Cisco, and then enable, and our enable password was Cisco 1. Again, do not use the same password. Avoid duplicating a password. Be unique and use strong passwords, not Cisco, not class. Here is where our banner appeared before we even had access to the console. Now that we have done all this, we need to save this configuration. To save the configuration, we'll go into configuration, right here in enable mode, we'll say save running configuration to startup configuration, or for short we could just say write, and that's it. So now you can say show running configuration, and everything that we have just done will be displayed right here in our running configuration. You can see our passwords, encrypted passwords, and the banner. Basically, that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial.